Hey guys, what's up? Today we want to give you a full tour of the CBI and Prinsu headquarters here in Idaho Falls, Idaho, and show you all the ins and outs of how we manufacture our products. Let me park this beast and we'll jump right into it. All right guys, the beast is parked and we're ready to give you a full tour of all of our facilities here and show you how we manufacture our products. So let's go in and let's start checking it out. All right, so as you guys can see, we've walked into our showroom here and we're in a bike shop. You probably weren't expecting to see bicycles here, but we have a local bike shop called CBI Bikes. We carry 6 different brands, everything from hardtails to full suspension and road bikes. So if we can help you get a sweet deal, hit up our website at CBI Bikes or give us a call and we'll get you taken care of. But let's continue with the tour about CBI and Prinsu. So in this front area on the outskirts of the bike shop and upstairs, we have a bunch of offices. My office is upstairs, as well as accounting, takes care of all the numbers and all the technical stuff. But let's go check out this other section of the building and we'll tell you who we have here. So if you come into this area, this is our customer service and our dealer sales team. So many of you guys have already had interaction with all of our awesome team members in this area of our facility. These are the people that are helping you out with your details on your orders. They're helping you figure out what products you need for your builds. And if you're a dealer, they're getting you taken care of so you can sell CBI and Prinsu products. So be sure and give these folks a what's up if you talk to them on the phone. And if you have any questions at all about any of our products or anything that we can assist with, don't hesitate to reach out to this awesome team and they will get you taken care of quick, fast, and in a hurry. So let's keep going here as we walk through our customer service and dealer sales rep area. We're gonna go into the back of our main building, which is where we do our installations. So we're gonna go see what Justin's up to back there. Justin, Mr. Muscles here, recording in progress. So let's see what's going on here. All right. Justin, can we interrupt?
Yeah, come on in.
Did we totally just mess up your video?
You blew the shot, but that's all right. We'll create another one.
Oh, shoot. That's why we have that sign there, you know, Mr. Muscles, he keeps people out. But Justin is the man that takes over this whole back part of the building. Tell us what you're doing back here and kind of what your role is.
Sure. So definitely a really creative role in the company. Right now we have a brand new 2022 Tundra. We're shooting the covert front bumper install video, so that's really exciting new product we're coming out with. A lot of people are really excited about.
And I'd just add just a sneak peek on this. This Tundra, it's a brand new 2022, like you said. It is for Toyota. So this is a build we're doing directly for Toyota.
Yeah.
It's gonna get fully built out, CBI, Prinsu, lots of awesome goodies, and then Toyota's gonna use it in their car show circuit.
Yeah, it's really exciting. We'll have this thing fully built out. Definitely check in and watch this transformation on this truck. Come see us too. So another part of my job is I drive our big rig. It's a Chevy 6500. We load trucks in it, go all over to all the events and set up our booth. This truck will be there. So if you want to see everything on it, it'll be at the event. So come check that out. But I also work a little bit with the R&D team and kind of developing this bumper specifically. We did a lot of testing on that I helped out with, so it's cool to see it full circle. And now, you know, we're doing the install video to send it home. But I kind of have my hand in every department somewhat, so it's a lot of fun.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Justin, we call him Super Trucker. That's kind of his nickname. With the big rig that he drives, and Justin is a huge part of all of our R&D and development and our install instructions, like he said, and really a big part of bringing that all together. So if you have technical questions, Justin may be the guy that you're speaking to, as well as our customer service team. And if you want one of our products installed, Justin's the man that you're gonna see and speak with, and he'll get it installed for you. So don't forget that we do customer installs here in this facility.
Yep.
Okay, Justin, we'll let you guys get back to it. Sorry to interrupt there.
Appreciate you guys swinging by.
All right. Well, let's head over to our manufacturing facilities, and we'll show you guys from start to finish how we design, build, and manufacture our products. All right, so come on in. We've now moved to our R&D building. This is where we design, engineer, and build our products, and this is the first part of the process. So come over here. We're going to talk to some of our engineers and look at what they're currently doing. We have several brand new vehicles in this facility. We have our 2022 Nissan Frontier, and we've got Roof Rack Zach right here, who's doing some 3D scanning on this vehicle. What we're going to be building is rock sliders for it. Roof Rack Zach, he is our main roof rack developer. And then if we turn over here to the Bronco, we've got a 2022 Ford Bronco Wild Tracks Sasquatch Edition, and we've got a whole slew of products, and we've got Bumper Benny. He's our bumper professional when it comes to the designing and developing of our bumpers. And what Benny's doing right now is he's working on fitment and a few of the structural issues for this Bronco front bumper. But if you just take a look down the side of this vehicle too, we've got two brand new prototype products that we can share with you. So our rock sliders for the Ford Bronco and our Prinsu roof rack for the hardtop Bronco. So this is where all of this test fitting happens. This is where all of the design and development and all the good stuff that really comes into our new products. We also have behind the wall over there all the welders that weld just our prototype products. But one last thing that I want to show you here, if we turn this way, we've got our brand new 2022 Tundra, and this is our brand new full front bumper. So you guys are getting first views of this bumper and what it's all about. We're still working on some test fitting right now, but let's go upstairs to the engineers' offices and let's talk with Josh and take a look at what they do on the computer to put out these awesome products. All right, so we've now moved up to the engineers' offices, and we're here with Josh, our lead engineer. So Josh, tell us about the process. Once you kind of get things scanned, how does it happen from there for product development?
Yeah, absolutely. So you saw one of our engineers down there earlier doing some scanning. From there, we bring it up onto our computer. We start doing our sketches, building our 3D models. Right from the computer, we can make sure everything's fitting exactly right with the vehicle. From there, we're going to make our flat patterns, send it off across the street to get laser cut. After that, everything's going to come back to us here in this building. It's going to get welded up, test fit on the vehicle. We're doing small test runs all the time to make sure our products are dialed before they go out to the customers.
Yeah, it's really a cool process. To me, it's awesome to see something start from nothing, you know, from a scan, and then all of a sudden we have physical metal that's bent, that's cut, that's welded, and it becomes a set of sliders or a bumper or whatever it may be. And that all happens with our engineering team. These guys are phenomenal with what they do. They're experts in their field, and they're enthusiasts for the off-road industry and for the products that we build for you, our awesome customers. So let's go next door, just across the street to our Fab Facility, and let's look at the manufacturing process and show you guys what it's all about. All right, so we made it to the Fab Facility. This is the next step in the process in building our product. So we've got Lance here. Lance is our production director. He's the big cheese over here that kind of keeps everything running and going. And Lance is going to walk us around and tell us how to build the CBI and Prinsu products.
Yeah, we can just start right here. We're standing here. Right behind me is our new Salvagnini L5 laser. It's a 6K laser. To my right a little bit right here is Jake. He is our team lead for our prefab department. So anything aluminum and everything in our department right here before it goes down the line to our press brakes or any next state is all aluminum, and it's cut off this machine. A little bit this way is another machine, another laser. It's a smaller laser. It's a 4K machine. We do all of our carbon steel, mild steel. At one point in time, we even ran stainless for some of our items at one point in time. This one's been with us for a while. We call this Old Bessie here because she's helped us out through a lot. So
she's a workhorse.
She's a workhorse.
So let's go into the next half of the building, right? And
yeah.
we've got more equipment over there that really allows us to build our products in the way that we want to, right?
Definitely.
So let's talk about what we got here. We got Junior,
yeah,
your
so
brother.
This is my brother, Junior.
This is cool.
He is running our pipe dragon. This is where we form, fit, and function everything for our sliders. So from cutting the tubes to bending the tubes to test fitting to coping, all that is every design model runs right here through Junior and his machine, and then comes off, if you come around here, of our pipe dragon. It's a water-cooled machine, so it's allowed to be able to do everything that you kind of see right here on the cart, plus more.
It's pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. Pretty cool stuff.
Cutting metal like butter.
Cutting metal like butter.
Right?
All day.
So this is the press brake area, right?
Yeah, so we got a press brake here. We got our planer to the left. We'll have you guys follow us on around because this is the press brake we want to show you. So here on this side, this is one of our new press brakes. We've had this one for 5 months?
5 months, 6 months.
And we got another third press brake coming here soon. It should land next week. But everything comes from the laser that you guys seen through the shop by the pipe dragging this way. So this is a unbit product for a rack. It'll go on the press brake to be bit, and then it'll go down the line that you guys will see here in a little bit to our powder coat facility.
Which is way cool. You know, you look at these parts. This is a cab rack part for a Tacoma. So this is the flat pattern that's cut, 1/4 inch aluminum, cut on our fiber laser. It's run through the planer, so this thing is just perfect. And then these feet right here will get bent on this machine. And it's so awesome to me, you know, looking from the outside in. You're in this every day.
All day. Yep.
But we have these big sheets that come in. We're running hundreds of sheets through the machine. It cuts it out. Then these parts, hundreds go through the press brake and then on to welding or powder coating. It's pretty awesome.
For sure, a lot of people think these videos and everything that they see on YouTube is just easy, right? There's a lot of man hours, a lot of time that goes into these products, from cutting specs to bending specs to just straight up layout nesting, which you've probably seen earlier in the engineering portion. But there's a lot of talent that we have here at CBI that goes into every product that we do.
A lot of hardworking individuals that keep this going.
Oh yeah,
which is pretty awesome.
They are the foundation of what we do.
So last step in the Fab building is our machine shop. So tell us what we do here and what machines we have.
So we have a mill and a lathe. John Ellis right here is our main operator and leader pretty much over our machine shop. He's been our ace in our place, so to speak. I mean, everything and anything that we design here pretty much gets John's approval and stamp, and we make things happen. He's actually been able to kind of teach us a few things as we go along too, of what we should do and what you should never do on the mill or lathe. So
all part of the fun here.
All part of the fun. This is a very new concept to us here at CBI, but I think with John's help and our engineering's help, we're gonna take it by storm. So you'll see a lot of it coming from us here soon.
And that is the cool thing, you know, we're always innovating in the products that we're manufacturing, and this equipment has allowed us to step up a level. Our machine D-rings, we've talked about those a lot, but we now use machine D-rings just like that are just perfect. And that is a much better product and a much better quality and much more usable from an off-road perspective than a water jet piece. So it's machines like this and equipment like this that allows us to really raise the bar in the products that we're manufacturing.
Absolutely. Night and day difference from older technology compared to what we can do nowadays.
Yep. So we finished here in the Fab building. The next process is welding. So once all the parts are cut and bent and formed, it's all about the welding process. So we're gonna go next door to the next building, which is welding and powder coating. So we'll see you there.
See you guys.
All right, so we're now in the Weld Building. This is where all the parts come together and get final assembled. We got Ben here.
Hey, Nathan.
Ben, what's going on today, man?
Not a lot, man.
So Ben is the man when it comes to the welding department. He keeps all of their awesome, talented welders going. Tell us what happens here and what you got going on today.
Oh man, we have an awesome team out here, guys. We have the most elite team in eastern Idaho of craftsmen. Come with me, I'd like to show you what they're working on.
Lots of cool stuff as we look into all these weld booths here.
Right here, we've got a Tundra rear bumper going on, and these guys are doing a little bit of finish work. But let's go back to the beginning a little bit.
Covert bumpers.
Tundra front.
Tundra fronts, he says. What do we got here?
Okay, guys,
This is awesome.
Right now is the most deliberate process of our welding process, which is fitting our parts together. So this is where we've got to spend a lot of time really focusing on the details because of our craftsmanship. We want to build the best bumpers that are out there on the market, period. So right now, Tess is working on a 3rd gen Tacoma, and as I said, she's just fitting it together. After this, she's going to jump right into MIG welding it out before she sands and grinds it completely. And then if you, go ahead,
so
Nathan.
What's cool about this, just to kind of explain to people, is these parts are cut and bent and formed so that they can fit perfectly together. And you can kind of see that seam from the center light bar section to the side wing. And Tess is tacking it together, welding it out. Don't look at the light, man. But anyways, it's awesome. So go ahead. So after that, then what do we do?
Well, the next process, guys, would be sanding and detailing in our polish work. So if you follow me over here, we're working on a 5th gen 4Runner rear bumper with dual swing arms. Hey, Logan. So right now, guys, this is where we, again, apply the detail to our sanding and finish work. As Nathan was saying with the parts, we want these things to fit the body lines perfectly. And that's what Logan's working on right now, is really applying that artist touch to these products.
Pretty cool. We'll see how that bumper will go from just the base bumper now, then Logan will add the swing arms and the final components, and then it's ready for powder coat.
Yep.
And that's kind of the final step before it goes to shipping.
Oh yeah.
So why don't we jump over to powder coat and let's show our friends how that process works.
Let's do it.
All right, so we've now made it to our powder coating facility. Ben here is going to tell us kind of what the process is to put powder on these products.
Definitely. So step 1, guys, is sandblasting these products so we can totally remove that surface so that we can hang these products right here like you see. And then the next step is we're going to bring it right in and apply that powder to that fresh open surface so that when we take it to the final stage, which is the oven, we can bake it on there and it's going to totally adhere to that product, providing the best durability that you can get.
Which is pretty cool because you can see the racks there. They've now powdered it and it's going right in the oven. You can feel the heat coming out of this baby.
Oh yeah.
We got a Tundra front bumper, some bed racks. That's awesome.
Totally.
So those products, they'll sit in there, depending on the size of the product and the thickness of the metal, they'll sit in there for 10, 20, 30 minutes and it'll get cured. They'll then pull that rack out here, it'll cool, and then we're gonna prep our product to take it over to shipping.
Yep.
So what do you say? Let's go over to shipping and show them the final step before that product ends up at their front door.
Let's roll.
All right. Okay, thanks for sticking with us. If you stuck with us this long, we are now at the final stages of the process. We're in our shipping warehouse. So we've got Randy here. He's the man with the plan in the shipping department. And Randy's gonna tell us how we package our CBI and Prinsu products.
All right, so over here on our shop, we've got CBI going. All our bumpers, rock sliders, skids and stuff like that all come in through this door here. We wrap it, plastic wrap it, put it on a pallet, lag it down, and then it kind of goes through the end down here and then out to the truck when it shows up. So
gets shrink wrapped and all the gear gets put in there, and
absolutely.
And away it goes on a pallet to your truck via forklift and semi, right?
yeah, sometimes UPS truck. Right here we've got all of our accessories, both Prinsu and CBI side. Just comes through right here through this table, throw it in there, foam, tape it up with that nice CBI wet tape. Then it goes right here, and then at the end of the day we kind of label it and put it on a pallet, and out the door it goes as well. So,
and another cool thing to think about too is all of our third-party accessories get packaged in this facility. So whether it's Max Tracks or Rotopacks or whatever it may be, that gets packaged here as well.
Yep.
Okay, roof racks. I see them going crazy on the roof racks here. So
yeah, we're just finishing up our spring sale here. Process back here starts. We grab a box, put the customer's name on it, run it through the process, put all of the products in there, all of our foam and packaging and the noise trim and all the hardware and everything comes in the box, rolls through this bander right here, rolls onto the table, and then it goes on a pallet to be shipped out the end.
And what I love about this process is this truly is Santa's workshop here.
Oh, absolutely.
Year round, we don't stop, right? Every day, all day long, every week. And the result is all of this. You can see racks piling up over there. You can see racks piling up over here. We've got a ton of racks going out today.
Absolutely.
And we also, today is a special day because we've got our new ladder going out, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got about 200 packaged up and ready to roll. So we're pumping numbers and ready to get you guys some products. So.
Yep, it's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video to see how CBI and Prinsu product is manufactured, how we build it, how we engineer it, how we design it, even how we package it. It's really an awesome process. I stand in awe every day when I see the different portions of it, and it's cool to see it come to this culmination where it leaves on a truck and we hope and pray it shows up okay, and then it arrives in your driveway at your front doorstep and you guys are stoked to put it on. So I think one of the coolest things that we need to say to our awesome followers is thank you. We appreciate all of their support, right? Your support in purchasing CBI and Prinsu products, your loyalty to the brands, your excitement for the brands. It's crazy what we see, right?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We appreciate you guys every single day. We couldn't be here without you guys, so we appreciate you.
It's pretty awesome. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If there's any other cool things you want to see, kind of behind the scenes of how CBI and Prinsu operate, let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe and share our videos with your friends. We're going to keep building, or creating, not building. We build products, we're creating videos. We're going to keep doing that, and we look forward to many awesome adventures coming soon.